If your tower lights fail, you have just 30 minutes to act. That's when a NOTAM or Notice to Air Missions must be filed. Let's break down what it is, why it matters, and how to file one correctly. A NOTAM or Notice to Air Missions is a safety alert for air traffic, warning pilots about potential hazards, including tower light failures. If your tower is required to be lit under federal regulations, you must file a NOTAM with the FAA within 30 minutes of discovering an outage and enter it into your site's compliance daily log. Filing a NOTAM is simple. Just call the FAA at 877-487-6867 and notify them of the outage, and be prepared to provide your tower's ASR number, the start date and time of the outage, the anticipated end date of the outage, and the location and height of the tower. The FAA will issue a NOTAM and provide you with the airport code and NOTAM number. Make a record of this information provided by the FAA in your log. After the lighting issue is rectified, you need to call the FAA and lift the NOTAM on the subject site. The information you will need to lift the NOTAM after you fix the issue is your tower's ASR number and the airport code and NOTAM number that was provided by the FAA when the NOTAM was filed. NOTAMs help pilots avoid non-compliant towers, preventing accidents and keeping the skies safe. Failing to file one could mean fines and serious risks. Need more compliance tips? Stay tuned for our next episodes, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe and stay compliant.